Yo, what's going on YouTube? I'm back with another market review, market recap, whatever you want to call it. It's a little bit of a late upload, but better late than never, right? So today was Friday, January 3rd, 2025. Go to Forex Factory. We had 10 o'clock right for the news. ISM, manufacturing PMI. Alright, so let's go all the way back to market open. Let's see what was going on. Alright, 9:30. Alright, bet. Alright, so for market open, I was on the hourly chart. Actually, before market open, we're in this range right here. We're consolidating in this range right here. So we didn't take out this high at the time before. I think we took it out at like around 9:20, like right before market open. But I was looking at these lows right here, these relative equal lows right here, 7 o'clock, and this was Asia low right here. And then we also had this hourly fair value gap, and then I was looking at this low. But what I really wanted to see, what really would have been great, is if price manipulated below these lows right here, tapped into this hourly fair value gap, and then I would have tried to go long, but we didn't get that. That would have been perfect too. If you had an SMT on top of that, would have been great. But that's not what ended up happening. Price just shot up. Both indices shot up. So what else was I looking at? Yeah, I was looking at, and then after that, I seen both indices took out this, and it was a crazy displacement candle on the 15-minute chart. So I'm like, okay, the next thing that we could possibly target is probably this swing high right here. And this, if you look on NQ, it was in a 15-minute fair value gap. Same thing on ES. ES had that 15-minute fair value gap as well right here, and had those swing highs within that 15-minute fair value gap was relative equal highs. So I'm like, alright, that's a great draw on liquidity. So I was looking to see, and yeah, it just shot up. It instantly shot up. The great displacement to the upside. Both indices took out those highs. Next target I was looking at, probably these highs right here. Really this high right here. But I stopped looking at the charts really early today. I think at like 10:30, because today's Friday and it's like, yeah, it wasn't it today. I mean, it wasn't, but you know how it be. Know what happened. Price did this and that. We could go back to the regular time. But one thing I did see when I was looking back, we didn't get any SMT, not that I know of. But one thing I did notice when I was looking back, I seen we had this, if you look on NQ, we had this 15-minute fair value gap. I can mark it right here. So this is the 9:15 fair value gap on the 15-minute chart. You can mark that out. Looking on ES didn't have the fair value gap at the same time, but it did have a 15-minute fair value gap at 9 o'clock. If you look right here, I had this 15-minute fair value gap, but I trade NQ, so we're gonna look at NQ, right? So on the 15-minute chart, as you can see, NQ, it came and tapped into that 15-minute fair value gap. And if you drop down to the 1 minute, what I would be looking for, I'm looking for a market structure shift to the upside, because time frame alignment goes from 15-minute to the 1 minute. So if price taps into a 15-minute PDRA, I want to see a market structure shift on the 1 minute to get that lower time frame confirmation, right? And if you look, price tapped into that 15-minute fair value gap, and then if you look right here is where you get that market structure shift. This candle right here, hold on, let me make it straight. Right here is where we get that market structure shift, right? And then you look closely, have this fair value gap, right? And when it tapped into this fair value gap right here, at the time it wasn't a market structure shift, right? Because price didn't close above this swing high right here. You got the market structure shift on this candle right here, so you will have to wait until price comes back down into that fair value gap, and then potential entry could be right there. Either that or this breaker block right here. You get into possible entry could be at the high of that candle or the body. Me personally, I like, for breaker blocks, I like entering at the body. I get the better risk reward like that. But for some people it's different. But yeah, So let's say I was to enter with this fair value gap right here. I could have put a stop at 25 points. 25 for me. TP1 could have been that right there. You don't even gotta be that much points. It could have been like right here. Right here would have been good, because we got this breaker block right here, and this order block. This whole thing would be considered an order block. So that could be TP1 or TP1 potential right there. What else? This could have been final TP right here, second and final TP. Would have taken a while, but I think it got hit. Yeah, it ended up getting hit. It took a while though, a little bit of consolidation, but at the end of the day, it was Friday. And Friday tends to be the end of the range. It tends to consolidate a little bit, just like Mondays. But yeah, that was pretty much it. I didn't take this trade though. That was a potential trade though. Tap into a 15-minute fair value gap. Market structure shift. Retracement to fair value gap. Target buy side liquidity. No SMT though. Hold on, let me check to make sure. Yeah, no SMT. Definitely would have took it if there was an SMT, but it is what it is. We're learning, we're getting better, you know. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know what trade you guys took down in the comments. If you guys got any questions, let me know down in the comments. And if you want to keep seeing more videos like these, make sure you guys like and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.